Well, we're right now at Canoecopia 2023 in Madison, Wisconsin. I got my boat that I took down Mississippi River, all 87 days of it.
What do people say when they see your boat?
Most of them say, you didn't paddle the Mississippi River in that boat, too small. And I say, that's a very stable boat, and yes I did. And it's fast. That's what the bottom looks like, right there. It's not that bad, is it? A boat needs battle scars anyway to be a good boat. This is the Greybeard shirts here, and they are donated. They were donated to us to help funding the movie by Northstar Canoes, and we're selling them here. And we also have it set up so people can buy the DVD right here simply by focusing in on this, and they can buy the DVD, which will be mailed on 1 April, I understand.
I'd like everyone to stand up and welcome Dale Greybeard Sanders. Dale Sanders, come on in. The man, the myth, Dale.
I may be old, but I can still run.
It was a blast to make this film with. So let's watch a bit of it, and then we'll talk a little bit afterwards.
That 30-minute film is just happened about an hour ago, and it went off very well. I've had so many people come up and saying they really enjoyed that, and each and every one of them, I said, well, make sure and buy the DVD and see the real footage.
That is some first-class fiddle playing, everybody, right there. Don't you know? It's all part of the adventure. Don't you know how dull life would be if everything was perfect? And it's perfectly imperfect when it's part of the adventure. It's all part of the adventure.